Nana Jantuah or whatever your stupid name is.
Enti ade bo ba ko be kum no ma me no. Ba ko e ya Afia Schwar obe reply Nana Jantuah NDC journalist Nana Jantuah ever attack ya Nana Jantuah be ready on Bawumia no. On say Afia you no be aso ka Bawumia waka no. Afia abe reply Nana Jantuah. Now first the youth president also abe start to hit on the current education minister Honorable Haruna idrusu. Efa nsie be ka fa asante man ho no. Youth president abe reply no. Me man chire mu no akire wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. Ha ye Penyah block media. Me sure say need mu. Obe like video no other but subscribe button so na be click notification and connect latest update na be chire wa adwen de ama me. E wo comment section. Me also ba so no share for so anya bi ahwe. Let's start with education minister. Nansi emu ana ye education minister Honorable Haruna idrusu opiem ewo asantema mu. Be some dwumadi bi. Na dwumadi na so no ana say or tasking on Mahama or the addistribute be to Mahama enim and all catch Mahama oh Mahama emomodene now make sure say or be ensure good roads in Kumasi. In fact Ashanti region Mahama emomodene na onye akwan kama ema Kumasi for no ewo Ghana ha because omu impact on this nation development are very high it I was Mahama it me na or ya kwan bi anya bia otim esiesi ema na nka eya asempa but empanimfosi dua eben na etwie ana ye bodama ye bo frifie. Charity begins at home. Yimpuna da woni so ansno hu wenya ne kuragin de hu unua de ye Ghana hanom a baby agese ye ka under development e koso pa e yesirim the northern regional part of Ghana e honey there development there ya mutu and Ghana politicians now about 80% omu nyina hono free ba MPs omugu parliament house we about 80% omu nyina ye nordness asenko omu nyina ka se omu tumani akohwe omu constituency no omu krom no omu regional enka I was saying sirim eye Ghana crowd I was saying eye Ghana the most beautiful place because e ho produce all manner of politicians at Ghana or manwe no enya since independence. Northern region has been producing majority of parliamentarians. It's your ministers near the Nana, Ubeti Omudeno, most of them about 80% Omuna Northerness. But so I say Uko Sirimon Moa life at the north, Ebusia and Yasimukuma. A quine to the point enso crowd Omunian soon no. But MPs no ministers eja ho enwetete akra enjoy life mpuntu ewa akra but krom omachi they can't go there nko ho ana omaja omro go no bre what I say omaja ana bre ana omudo omani asi other regions ana ye development na eno ana youth president also we not na we say there be there massa honorable ade na o kan de eye pa se mpuntu ama obi but krom o region o constituency edeba ade da wo ye no honom ama omodi akai wo honorable with all due respect edeba ade da wo ye no honom enti the youth president abe clàsh with Haruna idrusu sa by force glory na wo pese wo je no Gyae wate ahwehwanimu by force glory wo pe glory e wa santefo anim open glory e wa asante mayanim because mo pese mo maintain power till 2028 the 2028 mo pese mo tena ban mu santi no munim enkofo mo matumi age tumi enti o catch asante o catch that government ne say on expand asante region ekwan na ewo ho no onye niye na asante man ekwan ne enye ya da wase so den sembi say about bontain we chere say ampa wo dwa asante man ho but no kra ne say say baby omo kwan anya koda na hey another region ukuro mu kwan anya. When was the last time you talk about the what from the road na ekọ one? When was the last time I oka ho asem on hwanimu politics awoye and hwanimu ni dwa na yawo and hwanimu na awoye no and am nkofo nso to no mani age Mr. Haruna time I open our cause out to play mu who the need of some by sa kwan no sister minister of education general man for so what can Shantiman say they deserve more
And truly, they deserve more. Ashanti, it's an Ashanti. They deserve it. Yes, they deserve it. But, Nyehia Pano can watch them all. Nyehia Pano, Kurama Quino, Cinema Quino, who can watch them. Mr. Haruna Irusu. Yatesa 2028. Oh yeah. Potential candidate. Ama NDC Abino. Yatesa 2028. O Kasan Kofono. Ya unoma ye. Unkofono Sabra Manyamwa. Mr. Haruna Irusu. O Kasa do. O Kasa. O ya jushani mu. And jushani mu politics na o ya no. And jushani mu ne jana o ya no. And they need to expand Ashanti regional Ashanti region Rosa or a bit and a walk room. A year pass a whole thing, Chrono and Puntuo, Ashantiman Puntuo, because they deserve it. They deserve it. Because Ghana PBB Ashanti region I call. But be a binino, more extending Monsana and Kohobi. You shiny Mukasa Bina Oka, Yan Presu, Yan Swau, and I am Koto. And I'm quite fond of my be more real, but some almost seeing us say, or my doing us say, or who they need of sir, or the catcher had no use to say, on Judge Shani Muno. God bless Ghana. Nyansa Munu, President Mahama, His Excellency in Nyansa Munu, or who say, the northern region is Siremuho, or who say, most of the schools are under trees. Ebi muni nkonya tena so schools be bra tepansa omunya aboafobia ti oye na adwen se obeye wo Haruna Idrusu obeye wo Minister of Education na Minister of Education na wunya ye no it was based on this entire the ma wo say we ceremony fatena siremu unim siremfo how unim most of the schools are omoye under trees unim most of the schools are if your muni suku adan unim most of the schools are omuni good infrastructures omuni nkonya po etena so ana the ma say fa odema wa pa kwan bia be fa so ayi nkura omote ayi omote niasi suade omo ni nkonya omatete fom esuade te se mre bia me call na vrango kolugo anan ayi omo classrooms omo ni nkonya omo te polish anopa omo kotena hono ma omo kotena fom no mo suade ye was schools no more than 50 e was sirem tini nyansa mu no ode wo ba se bra na fo nyansa ebe siesie sa suku adan ene wona woni ba bitina papa suade no wo nkaye kan post sefa taw agriculture Minister of Agriculture because remfo ade amoya ade wo ho agriculture afuomu adwuma because onana mu nyina omoye into farming. This is the reality. O baye den na wo ye den na wo ye ne sirem ho same schools no ene ne ete anate mva so ban impact ba na wo make as a Minister of Education you Haruna Idusu impact ba na wo make wo pe president edi wo krom ha with this wo pe president edi wo krom ha enti mu mfere President Mahama onu ankasa entumi hande posts ni nyina o na mo no dwen say wa dwen so enti ka oma wa fa sa kwan no so aboa mo ankasa mo nkrofo ni bi wonya smart kura wonya smart Haruna Idusu wonya smart kura wonya nkofo oba ye mpo no afi na ano aye den ye videos at the mouth say suku weni nkonwa wumfi Minister of Education to we are Minister of Education to pa to and now we what bon. God bless Ghana.
Now onim say ntokwa bi air course ewo media no so as Nana Jantuah and the person started that ntokwa wi one abronye ene Bawumia ni nyina fa ensem a Nana Jantuah ebeka fa Bawumia ho na Kevin Taylor ebe reply no Nana Jantuah as ready another attack. This is how the whole incident happened. Nana Jantuah ebe ye program ewo ne show ne so na program ni mo no ana o praise Bawumia ese Bawumia a fine gentleman in politics oni atem ne kasa bia no eye kasa ope asumdwe ene ade eni se MP fo betie no a anka o mu fa Bawumia embra as flag bearer for the party in 2020 general election. Come for Bawumia na Emma represent the party no.
Yeah.
Mente se Dr. Bawumia edidi obi atem.
So now what in asem what kind?
In all this campaign.
Se monfa will be a mesami.
Mente se Dr. Bawumia akasa twitwiri.
Sure.
Etia obi.
Yeah. For that one he's
engineer Kwabena Japan mente ye.
Sure.
Ye redu tum mente ye. Bibi ajiron ejina no akwakoye Ken Japan. Ne nkrofo.
Yeah.
Enna Brand Champon so
nkrofo.
Na nsensema
And what you got because oh yet now you're high at the boko any boko tokwana ye kusasi anyone pushing tokwana ye the target Bawumia just ye the shell Bawumia kon abra Bawumia only mu ho hwe
can tell you say Dr. Bawumia na onim anything about this Mamprusi kinship ne de na ekoso. I can tell you on authority. And so ye can contemplate the share Dr. Bawumia say on an essential tokwanechi Emma NDC for the year politics. In 70 be why you can't near Kanotroka. I am telling you the reasons are a druha. Not Dr. Bawumia only home po. Dr. Bawumia our campaign ase. Ena on hinibi wo mo for so ya de ne call baby any council mo de ne call. And so NDC for the year campaign etia Dr. Bawumia said Dr. Bawumia and a shesa de na say Dr. Bawumia I can tell you obi obeka to say Dr. Bawumia no ni mu bi me say oboa na eyam tron kontompo eno mu twatwe eto Dr. Bawumia so he wasn't aware Mamprusi nyoma nyina no nya aware and so ye cash and crofo trim ye fra bibi manufacturing of consent. Papa bia oye philosopher ye journalist Walter Lippmann ono mesia communication theory no omuni papa na friend Walter Lippmann no he talks about manufacturing of consent ade bi wo ho a enye nokre by betimi ahohoro na manaye nokre na atoni petrim na manipa gia tum me say Dr. Bawumia Mamprusi kusasi ntokwa no na onim ho hwe but SM politics inti NDC for led by Yera John Dramani Mahama so ye president no or the year politics Emma kusasi for G2
o kansi mo ye no ana Kevin Ekobedu Taylor ebe reply Nana Jantuah ebe na Kevin Taylor be kan na Nana Jantuah say Nana Jantuah ye jandam je say wa jiska every Bawumia ho ana all ye politics e dia man because o ka say Bawumia eni atemu a eni Nana Jantuah e stupid ada ya Kevin Taylor kire mu say abronye dis e ye adwuma e de support Bawumia and abronye so no e kan adwen kire amanfo e say abronye support Bawumia na boye kan adwen dia eni indirectly no Bawumia ana e kan adwen e kire amanfo through abronye asebe na Kevin Taylor ebe kan ye obeka ya pe ana Nana Jantuah esa ba ne show no subie no see oh okay na say Kevin Taylor kra bie nani wa ma ne nyansa ene na Nana Jantuah make U10 Bawumia na obeka say Bawumia fine gentleman oni atem e won politics no Jantuah esa make U10 no be so see Bawumia so hwa na dapa ese ne Bawumia no already odin kan fail wo lucy adenti na ontimi enkasa nkyere abronye na abronye didi amanfa te okurum ha no mo se Bawumia ntimi control abronye de ere se ontimi enye leader na wa fail den mewa Kevin Taylor upon TV wodi ni panyina no ye mfa nhye Mahama meneda Kevin Taylor cases to pain as or no he is there for Mahama or ye adwuma Mahama or supporting Mahama ama alleged required it was alleged say Oba Ghana ye the state security na born ho ban it was alleged say the state security and the born ho ban just say unu enjoy a better life ala say or the two no ho ye adwuma Mahama or supporting Mahama and Nana Jantuah any problem but for abronya ni Bawumia de Nana Jantuah ese ne Bawumia enye leader because leader ama obi di atem de onye leader but won ntimi anka da asem na kire say the president John Dramani Mahama say ne Mahama ama Kevin Taylor di amanfo atente ne Mahama enye leader eno de won ntimi anka da asem no na san asem we no ana Afia Schwar hwede no so o da bi de mana masa Nana Jantuah yesterday o kasafa Bawumia ho a na why steady enti Afia abeke kanadwen actually Nana Jantuah
Nana Jantuah or whatever your stupid name is. According to your submission, according to Asama Akafa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, nya upesa wakache Ghana funi. Cause minim say, Nana, whatever your stupid name is, minim say we are Juma and multimedia. Multimedia kwesi twum dia. Enti wo pesa wakache me say. Obi atena radio no so no kakasa enya kwesi twum na asoma no se wo mra make kasa ansem that one according to kwasi submission na wo ye wanim se fulani ba woni nantwie ayira wo konongu wram no kwasi gyimii according to submission na make here no what they are trying to say is countryman songo time and not Adum TV no and now attacking everybody in the GFA no now you see you're such a stupid person to be a morning show host. It carries a level of intelligence that you lack. Sir Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who are you to be convinced? Yes, Mahmoud Bawumia no na juma ni so be convincing kwasi afo na stupid bitch. Ukwasi animu uchimi any one consistency no so ade baba umia so a wo bedi bia boa yamade kwasia wo tie ijaja hye hona wo de won say won kola atse no aboa wo tie ijaja hye wa school ni akola bi etwa texas fo etwa hello louis fo etwa hello kwasia mpani ni aboa pedophile uchimi wate ukwasi animu. Your stupid parents could have avoided this. But I never can people assembly. Say I think. Do you think? Do you think? Would Virginia and can't die what body say? Say Virginia. And can't come here and for die now what body say. Such a nitwit, stupid bitch. Stupid bitch. Who you me bitch? A boy who you bitch? Who you bitch? Asia and I made say and at that time I with Bawumia and Timin come Kwasia wate Umamia Buano so this your shame near me out here and Kawu Bedjine would you for Jimmy Braha for Jimmy Abraha a bua Kwasi Jum no any pacha Bawumia o Kwasi Jum no or any pacha Bawumia o fui radio nankasa ayefo nti na meja no radio no ayefo first sekasa obi a radio presenter utimi wo se first sekasa obi a radio ni tv a adane kwasiafo adwoso kwasia bia because kwasi twunya de obetia o boss chimi fo no o boss yare fo no kwasi twum me ye adwuma ma hit fm 1 year o man twia meka enti wutu we ye ntia salary bia and wadani gyimii because oye what the fuck is the word? Oye serious human being what serious human beings afọ ma juma etu am kan na stupid Jantuah enye una betina nshirefem enye una be money show be juma na ayefo say ye den kwasiafo na ye enti nya fault bra na be ka fofo bra na be woni twa sa ba akofofo kwan wanim den sa hodwo kwan lebra be kasa asem bi aboa say that time I made Bawumia go and vote for NDC asia want me convince me party be na no ofui gyimii kwasia yamade ofui kwasia mpanini stupid bitch abronya ya odan na abronya gaza enti asa wonum kasa de Asiam penny, Utu will be platform so, Eddie Chase Cloud, Utu will be platform so, Eddie open, I'll boy my dear, I'll boy Jimmy Foba, but I never come out when you send him. Kwasia to Sao Papa, or shall condoma, and can't approach winter time, make quadruma. I wouldn't be shouting. Asia.
Who bet my treasure, Amame? Ever comment session. Hi, Penyah Media.